5 unusual morning routines that really work. Morning habits and routines are not for the weak of heart. They take commitment and practice. Some are even unconventional, to say the least. However, there are some habits that, while they may seem unusual, may actually be beneficial. 1. No snooze. The snooze button on your alarm or phone may seem like your best friend, but it's really your frenemy. Your snooze may feel like the best thing ever, but research has shown that it confuses your body and brain. You see, your body starts preparing for waking up a couple of hours before your alarm goes off, releasing chemicals you need to be alert. Hitting the snooze interrupts your normal sleep cycle, causing you to feel groggy the rest of the day because your body's hormone levels are thrown off. 2. Stop for breakfast. Americans glorify busy. The glorification of busy has morphed into the glorification of eating meals on the go. A protein shake while driving to the office. Eating lunch delivery food at your desk. Scarfing a granola bar while taking the kids to ball practice. When we eat like this, our brains don't fully register that we are eating. It's just one more time when we tune out of our lives while rushing to the next thing. Taking just 15 minutes to stop, put your phone down, and enjoy breakfast, no matter what it is, will help you key into your life. 3. Lot less talk and a lot more action. This doesn't mean you shouldn't take the time to greet coworkers in the morning, but you should do your best to shut down idle chatter. Instead, block out those first few hours of your morning to focus on those tasks that need the most time or focus. Your post-lunch self will thank you for getting the hard jobs done first. 4. Write it down. Instead of using your morning time to construct a mile-long to-do list, use that time to write down your thoughts and feelings. A to-do item may pop into your head. Write it down for later and move back to focusing on your thoughts. A lengthy to-do list first thing in the morning will be more overwhelming than the relaxing practice of emptying your mind of clutter. 5. Ignore everyone else's habits. Feel free to ignore all 4 of the previous morning habits, and maybe this one if you want to. While the habits listed here are backed by science and research, it doesn't mean you have to do them. Starting your morning means finding the habits and practices that are best for you. Morning routines are not one-size-fits-all socks. You do you. Be it unusual, non-conforming, or standard, trying out different morning routines is a great way to find the start to your day that best fits you. Feel free to try on all the habits listed in this article, or ignore them.